here we are. We've just come to check in. Our room actually isn't ready, so it is gone 2 o'clock, so they should be ready by now, but they're not ready. He was going to give us some complimentary drinks at the bar, but because we're executive, we're actually staying in the executive room, so we get an executive lounge, which covers all alcoholic drinks, soft drinks, snacks, canapes, desserts, later on, so we don't actually need to. So we've just kind of come up into the lounge. He's going to bring our bags up for us when our rooms are ready. So we're just going to chill in the lounge for a bit now and wait for him to bring our bags up and let us know the rooms are ready. So you come through this door here. You do have to use your key card to get into the door. The toilets are just here, so you have a big disabled toilet, men's and ladies. So that was, as I came in, that was to your right hand side. Straight ahead you can see all the airport runway, which is so good. Here they've got the television, which we were hoping to stay tonight to watch the Euro on for the, I'm going to say Eurovision, I've got completely mad. I can't think of the word at the moment, I apologise, Ant's over there and I can't think of the word, what I'm trying to say, it's the football anyway, for tonight for the women's, but Matilda's been told she's not allowed in the lounge after 4 o'clock. She's a little bit sad, but she can take drinks and snacks and things out to her. So Mum and Matilda are just over there helping themselves to a drink, just so that you can see the full layout of the lounge. I sat on these really good chairs last time we came. I sat here with like my feet up there looking out at the view at night time, and it was beautiful. I'm sure I might do that tonight as well, because it's really lovely. Only a couple of those chairs, and then the rest of it is just the lovely lounge chairs like this. They've got all lovely seats, they've got all papers ready for the day and things like that. They've got magazines. It's really lovely. It's not normally staffed until like night time, when they bring out things like the food, and they bring out the wine and everything like that. So we've just got a table right there looking out over the lovely view. We've even got like a chessboard that you can play. Matilda's just making herself, what are you doing, baby? You're making yourself a cup of tea?
You can get hot water out of the machine.
You can, that's what you do, yeah. You get hot water and you put your tea bag in there.
We're just getting hot water out of the machine.
Yeah, just put it in like that, don't open it up, just pop your tea bag in there like that. That's it, and just let it sit in there for a minute.
I didn't know any of them other teas, so I just got English breakfast.
English breakfast tea, that's normal, that's like normal tea for us, yeah. But there is a full coffee machine here, so you can choose all your different coffees. Yeah, I can bring it to the room for you, couldn't I? And they've got full sugars, they've got all sorts of tea. So Matilda's got English breakfast tea, Earl Grey tea, lemon and ginger, chamomile, raspberry and strawberry, pure green tea, cranberry and raspberry, that sounds nice. Then later on there will be snacks and things on here. Soft drinks at the moment, they've got Coke, tonic water, lemonade, bottles of water. Later on there will be beer, alcohol and wine. There's all the little fridge there, they've got all the wine glasses and things like that. What's that? Is that milk, Mrs? Yeah. Then you get your cups for your drinks and things here. And then normally last time in the morning, this had all the fresh fruit and granola and honey and cereals on. Some little tables up here as well. So it's a gorgeous, gorgeous view when you look out here now. You can just see the airplanes there. You'll get to see some taking off, some landing, because the runway's just there. So it is beautiful, just really, really lovely in here. We do love coming in here. Oh, we've just actually put some bags of crisps out now. Someone's just coming to stock up some little bits. There's some fruit I'm taking that's been left over from this morning or something. So this table again is normally used for food and things. So really, really pretty. So this is the executive lounge at the Radisson Blu at Manchester Airport. Quick update on the lounge. We've got welcome to the lounge. It says hot and cold canapes are served until 7:30 p.m. Dessert selection is served from 7:45 till 9, and all food and drinks are self-service. Doesn't actually say what time it starts, does it though? It doesn't say what time breakfast starts, but it does say desserts start at 7:45. So anyone that likes desserts like me, you know, you can come in at 7:45 till 9 to get I've just filled it higher. It's just filled up Diet Coke for Amazon as well, so Ant is now on the Diet Coke, which she's happy about. And we're just having another chill, aren't we? And these were the little canapes that came out. So it was like salami, some of them meat, cheese, crackers, olives, and then now was it the same both sides? And the hot food's just come out, which Just looks like little mini cheeseburgers with cheese and ketchup and samosas. And what's on that side? Yeah. Looks like little mini pies with cheeseburgers again. Right, so back in the lounge, and these are the desserts tonight. It looks like it's just one, which actually looks like red velvet cake. I love red velvet cake, so we're going to take these and we're going to head back to the room. Here we go, in we go, executive class. Let's see. Oh, Grandma's not in here yet. There's actually nobody in here at the minute. It's a bit loud in here though, to be honest. Let's see what they've got. Oh, so they've got muffins and cookies. There's honey. Got all cereal. Rice Krispies, Frosties, Weetabix. Yeah, last time they had like bacon and stuff. So it's more continental this time, isn't it then? Croissants, cheese, ham, bread rolls, some kind of toppings for your cereal. Oh, they've got apple juice and orange juice. And yogurts. Yeah, last time on here was the hot stuff. And on the side here was all the other breakfast stuff, but there's nothing even on the side there today. So it's definitely changed a bit since last time, but I was going to say it's free, but we've kind of paid for the room to have this, so, but it's still now, you know, still croissants and stuff and muffins and cereal, so come on then. It'll definitely fill us up for this morning anyway, and then we can head over.